Hello students, I hope all of you are doing good. Welcome to this video. Now I am going to start a course of mathematics for class 11. The first chapter is set. This is a simple chapter. The theory of the set was developed by German mathematician George Cantor. The set is used to define the concept of relational function. The chapter, geometry, sequence and series, probability, etc. are connecting with the set. Then, first we move through the definition of a set. What is the definition? A set is a well-defined collection of objects. We know the word collection. In everyday life, we often speak of collection of objects of a particular kind such as collection of cards, collection of book, collection of pen, collection of coins, etc. Then what is well defined? Look at that. One example, all vowels in an English alphabet. We know that they are A, E, I, O, U. This is not vary. That means this is well defined. Look at the other example. All odd numbers less than 10. Which are they? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This also not changed. So, this is well defined. Okay. Then, the next one is, we use capital letter for representing set. Example A, B, C, X, Y, Z. We can use any capital letter for representing set. And the elements of the set are small letters. Small letter A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. I explain one more time. Set is a well-defined collection of objects. Example, all vowels in an English alphabet A, E, I, O, U. And the other example, all odd numbers less than 10. That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the examples of set. For representing set, we use capital letters. And the elements of the set are usually small letters. Next topic is method of representation of sets. There are two methods for representing sets. First one is roster or tabular form. Second is set builder form. First I explain how to represent set in roster or tabular form. In this method, all the elements of a set are listed. The elements are being separated by commas and are enclosed within the bracket. This bracket. We can call this as curly bracket. One more time. In this type of representation, all the elements of a set are listed. The elements are being separated by commas and are enclosed within the bracket, curly bracket. One example. The set of all even numbers less than 10. Which are they? 2, 4, 6, 8. The set of all positive even numbers less than 10. 2, 4, 6, 8. The set, in this method, we can represent this as A is equal to set 2, 4, 6, 8. That means the elements, the numbers are first listed and are separated by commas and enclosed within the bracket. Second example, the set of all natural numbers which divide 42. Which are the numbers divide 42? Look at that. 1 into 42 is equal to 42. So, 1 and 42 are divide the number 42. 2 into 21, that is equal to 42. So, 2 and 21 can be divide 42. 3 into 14 is equal to 42. So, 3 and 14 are divisor of 42. Next, 6 and 7. 6 into 7 equal to 42. So, 6 and 7 are divisor of 42. So, these are the numbers which can divide 42. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. So, we can write this as B is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. It may be noted that when we represent the set in this form, the elements of the set are not repeated. That means all the elements are taken as distinct. For example, the set of all letters forming the word school. The word is school and is given in capital letter. So we use the elements also in capital letter. And O is repeated twice. But when we represent this in a roster form, look at that. We write S, C, H, O, L. We don't write O twice. We write only one time. V is equal to set of all S, C, H, O, L. This is the roster form representation of this word school. Similarly, in this type of representation, the order of the elements are not important. Look at that. A is equal to set 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is equal to 8, 6, 4, 2. The elements of both A and B are same. But the order is different. But A and B are equal. The set A and B are equal set. Because the elements are same, the order is only different. A and B are equal set. Look at the other example. C equal to S, C, H, O, L. D equal to H, O, L, C, S. The elements are same. So, they are not different. C and D are not different. Next is set builder form. In set builder form, all the elements of a set possess a single common property which is not possessed by any element outside the set. That means the elements in the set have a single common property. Look at the example. A is equal to set A, E, I, O, U. We know that these are English vowels. Vowels in an English alphabet. So we can write this as in the form A equal to set of all X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. English alphabet. That is, all the elements in the set A possess a single common property. Which is the property? Vowels in an English alphabet. This is the method for representing set builder form. Let B is equal to set 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the elements, natural numbers. All the natural numbers including in the set? No. The natural numbers in between 3 and 10, not including 3 and 10. How we can represent this in the set builder form? Then B is equal to set of all X such that. We call this as such that X is a natural number, not numbers, natural number, and another condition 3 less than X less than 10. The natural numbers are in between 3 and 10. X set of all X such that X is a natural number and 3 less than X less than 10. These are the two methods for representing set. First one is roster or tabular form and the second is set builder form. Look at that. Let A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is an element in the set A. We can represent this as by using a symbol 2 element of A. How we read this? 2 element of A or 2 belong. 2 belongs to A. 2 belongs to A. This is the symbol for representing an element of. Look at that. 0 is not an element in the set. So we can write this as 0 not an element of the set A. 0 does not belong to A. 0 does not belong to A. Sorry, 0 does not belong to A. 2 belong to A. 2 is an element in the set A. So we can use the symbol 2 element of A. 0 is not an element in the set A. So 0 not an element in the set A. This is a symbol for representing not an element. Okay. First example. Write the solution set of the equation x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0 in roster form. We want to write the answer in roster form. This is a contracted equation. X square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. We can use the formula for finding the solution of x. X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then what is a? A equal to 1, b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 2. Substituting this, minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 2 divided by 2. That's equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 9 by 2. That is equal to minus 1 plus 3 by 2 minus 1 minus 3 by 2. So the answer is, it is equal to 2 by 2 and minus 4 by 2. That is, solution is 1 and minus 2. We want to write the solution in roster form. So we can write this as A is equal to set 1 minus 2. Second example, write the set x such that x is a positive integer and the other condition x square less than 40. The square of the number less than 40 and the number must be positive integers. So we don't want to take negative numbers. Which are the numbers? We know that 1 square equal to 1. So 1 is possible. 2 square equal to 4. 3 square equal to 9. 4 square equal to 16. So 4 is possible. 5 square equal to 25. 5 is possible. 6 square equal to 36. So 6 is possible. 7 square equal to 49. So we don't want to write 7. So these are the set. We can represent this as in a roster form. So b equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the roster form representation of this given set. Next one, example 3. Write the set A equal to set 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. in set builder form. The given set in a roster form. You want to write this in a set builder form. Look at that. The numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. These are the square of a natural number. So we can write this as A is equal to set of all x such that x is a square of natural number. Square of natural number. Each number is a square of natural number. We can write this in another method also. A is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to n square, where n element of natural number. So another method, A is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to n square, where n is a natural number. So 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal to 9, etc. Look at the next example, example 4. Write the set set 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7 in set builder form. We see that each member in the given set has a numerator 1 less than the denominator. So, the numerator begin from 1 and do not exceed 6. Hence, how we can write in the set builder form? Look at that. Set of all x such that x is equal to n divided by n plus 1. The numerator less than 1 less than the denominator. Numerator is 1 less than the denominator. And where n is a natural number. N is a natural number, but not all natural number. And 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 6. Also the number begin from 1 and do not exceed 6. So we can write this as 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 6, and take the value from 1 to 6. So the answer is set of all x such that x is equal to n divided by n plus 1, where n is a natural number and 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 6. The example 5 is match each of the set on the left described in the roster form with the same set on the right described in the set builder form. One side representing roster form and the other is set builder form. For finding the answer, we consider set builder form. First one, look at that. X such that x is a positive integer and divisor of 18. Which are the divisor of 18? 1, 18, 2, 9, 3, 6. These are the divisor of 18. So, 3 matches A. 3 matches A. Then, second, B. Set of all x such that x is an integer and x square minus 9 equal to 0. Take it that x square minus 9 equal to 0. We can factorize this as x minus 3 and x plus 3. So, x equal to what? Minus 3 plus 3. So, B is matches to 4. A is matches to 3. B matches, 4 matches B. Then, third one. Set of all x such that x is an integer and x plus 1 equal to 1. X plus 1 equal to 1. Then what is x? X equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Say 0. Set 0. So, 2 matches to C. 2 matches to C. Then final one. Set of all x such that x is a letter of the word principal. We can easily find out that P-R-I-N-C-A-L. So, first one is matches to D. 1 matches D. Okay. Next I explain one important examples of set used in mathematics. This is very important in our mathematics. Look at that. N. N for the set of all natural numbers. Capital letter N for set of all natural numbers. Z. Set of all integers. Q. Q is representation of set of all rational number. And R. R is the set of all real numbers. Once more I explain. N is set of all natural numbers. Natural numbers means countable numbers. Let's start from 1, 2, 3, etc. Then Z, set of all integers, negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Q is the set of all rational numbers. R is set of all real numbers. Then next more 3. Z plus means positive. The set of all positive integers. Q plus, the set of all positive rational numbers. And R plus is the set of all positive real numbers. Okay students, in this video I explained the definition of set, method of representation of set and the important 5 examples of that set. Students, in the next video, I explain the exercise or first exercise question and answers. So I wind up this video. Okay, please support me. Then only I can continue